Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Market disruptions and financial surges, Greenlight Capital's take on passive investors, ARM Holdings earnings leap, and Fairfax financials fall. S&P nears historic highs while PayPal navigates a rocky transition. Devon Energy eyes Interplus acquisition, BlackBerry buzzes with takeover talks, and Cloudflare soars post-profit guidance. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these captivating financial developments. David Einhorn, the founder of Greenlight Capital, asserts that the surge in passive investors and algorithmic trading has led to a broken market situation. He points out that the trend towards low-cost passive investments like index funds, which currently constitute over half of U.S. publicly traded assets, poses challenges for funds that invest in undervalued firms. Furthermore, Einhorn criticizes the Securities and Exchange Commission's regulatory emphasis on hedge funds and cryptocurrency transactions at the expense of public companies.
The market value of the British chip manufacturer, ARM Holdings, experienced a significant increase of 58%, which equates to an addition of $43 billion. This substantial growth was reported after the company announced strong earnings and a positive outlook for the future. As a result, other semiconductor businesses have been inspired to rally. In response to these developments, Wall Street firms have decided to raise their price targets on the stock of ARM Holdings.
Shares of Fairfax Financial experienced a 7.4% decline after Muddy Waters Research published a short report suggesting an overstatement in Fairfax's book value. In response, Fairfax denied these allegations and reassured its shareholders that their financial statements are in full compliance with all accounting principles. Any additional questions will be addressed by the company during the conference call for Q4 results scheduled for next week.
On Thursday, United States stocks concluded with a slight increase, propelling the S&P 500 index beyond the significant milestone of 5,000 points. Although PayPal shares experienced a decrease, the market was uplifted by gains in Walt Disney and chip stocks. Treasury yields ascended despite robust bond auctions. The labor market demonstrated resilience as fewer Americans than anticipated filed for unemployment claims.
Reportedly, Devon Energy has plans to acquire Interplus. This marks the most recent in a string of billion-dollar oil transactions. The past year posed challenges for Interplus as capital expenses escalated to $532 million and its stock value declined by 12%. However, despite these circumstances, shares saw a rise of 6% on Thursday.
PayPal's shares experienced an 11% drop following the announcement of heightened business investments and a less than robust guidance for 2024. Even though job reductions were implemented recently to enhance profits, these savings are planned to be funneled back into product development. The future of the company has elicited varied opinions from analysts, with some spotting potential in upcoming products while others recommend more promising investment opportunities within the payment industry.
Shares in BlackBerry experienced a minor increase due to speculation of a takeover, which came on the heels of alterations within the board. Philip Brace, who previously held the position of CEO at Sierra Wireless, is now part of the board. This comes as Prem Watsa, chairman and CEO of Fairfax Financial, steps down from his role. These changes occurred after BlackBerry repaid $150 million worth of debentures that were owned by affiliates of Fairfax. Prior to this repayment, there were concerns about a potential undervalued takeover by Fairfax.
Cloudflare's Class A shares experienced a significant increase of nearly 14% in after-hours trading, following the release of profit guidance that exceeded market expectations for both the current quarter and the entire year. The cloud security platform announced its Q4 2023 earnings, which stood at 15 cents per share on a revenue totaling $362.5 million. This performance surpassed what analysts had predicted. Furthermore, Cloudflare set new records for operating and free cash flow during this quarter. Looking into the future, the company projects its Q1 2024 earnings per share to be around 13 cents and anticipates full-year earnings to fall between 58 cents and 59 cents.
As we wrap up today's episode of the Daily Business and Finance Show, remember, stay informed, stay inspired, and keep reaching for your financial goals. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.